My AC unit turned off and my aqua guard light is on.
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Carrier not sure about the model. It's a home unit.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Last month.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Carrier not sure about the model. It's a home unit.
Hello, this means the drain that carries condensation away from the indoor unit has gotten plugged. The only fix is to use a shop vacuum and vacuum the drain. If you can take a pic of the indoor system and post to this chat, I can draw directions. Also, disregard phone call offers as they are computer generated and not currently available. Billy.
This is the indoor unit.
Just a moment. Downloading now.
Do vac from the inside or outside?
From any point you can. Outside is best. See pic here. If it goes outside. Put as much suction on that pipe as you can to clear it. Then the aqua light should shut off and enable AC again.
Okay. I remember doing that about a year ago. My wife was pissed I used her vacuum.
Oops. Maybe even go get a small cheap shop vacuum for such an occasion. Just rate service with the 5-star system at top of page to close. Thank you, Billy.
Thanks.
If you cannot find the rating system, just respond with a reply that says 3, 4 or 5 stars. Thank you, Billy.
5 stars, Billy. Thanks.
Thank you very much. If you need follow-up, just return back here. No need to respond. Billy.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.